everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first one is which ministry has launched the honorary rank promotion scheme for rating personnel of CAPFs and Assam Rifles? The answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Here are some interesting facts about this scheme. Ministry of Home Affairs, that is MHA, has launched the honorary rank promotion scheme for rating the personnel of Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPFs, and Assam Rifles. This scheme, led by Union Home Ministry, Amit Shah, grants a one rank honorary promotion from constable to constable up to sub inspector. It is given on the retirement day to boost morale, pride, and self respect the self-respect of the personnel. The promotion is symbolic and does not involve any financial or pension benefits. It applies only if the higher rank exists within the services structure. The promotion does not affect the seniority of personnel. This move recognizes dedicated service and aims to honor commitment with dignity. The next is Tral Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state or union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Here are some interesting facts about this wildlife sanctuary. The central government recently declared an eco-sensitive zone, that is ESZ, around the Tral Wildlife Sanctuary in Jammu and Kashmir. Tral Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Pulrama district and plays a key role as a wildlife movement corridor. It is one of the rare places outside Datchingam National Park where the critically endangered Hungal deer is still found. The sanctuary has typical Himalayan moist temperature, subalpine and alpine forest types. The next is World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on which day? The answer is May 31st. Here are some interesting facts about this No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on May 31st to spread awareness about the harmful effect of tobacco. It was established by the World Health Organization, that is WHO, in 1987 and first observed in 1988. The theme for this year is bright products, dark intentions, unmasking the appeal, highlighting how attractive looking tobacco products hide serious health dangers. Tobacco causes over 8 million preventable deaths globally each year. The day encourages strong policies, public awareness, and quality support to reduce tobacco use. It also aims to protect people, especially youth, from the health, economic, and environmental harm caused by tobacco. The next is, what is the name of the campaign launched to empower farmers by accelerating agriculture transformation in India? The answer is Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. Here are some interesting facts about this Abhiyan. Union Agriculture Minister launched the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan, that is VKSA 2025, at the Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, Bhubaneswar. The campaign aims to empower over 15 crore farmers by accelerating agricultural transformation in India. The goal is to spread advanced technologies in agriculture and fisheries to rural areas. It promotes self reliance, sustainability, and resilience in farming and agriculture. The campaign supports the vision of Viksit Bharat, meaning developed India. It targets over 5 crore farmers across all districts through training, demos, and farmer scientist interactions. It highlights fisheries as an essential part of rural development and livelihood security. The last but not the least, which ministry has launched Swachh Sarvekshan Gram, that is SSG 2025, India's largest rural sanitation survey? The answer is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Here are some interesting facts about this sanitation survey. Union Jal Shakti Minister recently launched Swachh Sarvekshan Gram SSG 2025, India's largest rural sanitation survey. It will cover 21,000 villages across 761 districts in 34 states and union territories. The survey is the part of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2 to access sustainability of open defecation fee plus outcomes. It is conducted by the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. An independent agency will ensure transparent field to verification. The aim is to track sanitation process, boost public involvement, and reward high performing areas. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.